steps. Always refer to the owner's manual for important safety rules and detailed assembly instructions. It is important to review this video and the written instructions completely before you begin the assembling process. Please retain this DVD and the written owner's manual for future reference. Look for a smooth, solid and level ground to support the weight of the pool. Remove all sticks, stones, sharp objects or other foreign objects. Select an area which is solid, flat, extremely level and capable of supporting the weight of the pool. The first step in assembly is to ensure that you have all the necessary parts as shown on parts reference page of the owner's manual. Please contact your local dealer or after-sales service center if any part is missing or damaged. Please unfold and place the ground cloth, if included, on your selected area. Unfold and place the pool on the ground cloth center with the hose connections towards the area you wish to place the filter pump. Open the packaging of the support stand and take out all the accessories. Take out the horizontal tube and follow the instructions to connect it to the corresponding holes of the pool. Connect the support stand to the horizontal tub and stabilize them with the bolts, pins. Put the ground cloth into the bottom tube. Connect the bottom tube into the hole of the bended tubes and fix it with the pin. Secure the 3 openings in the pool, the drain valve and the 2 fixtures for attaching filter pump hoses. Make sure that the outer drain plug is inserted into the outer drain cap and screwed on tightly. Fill the pool with water. Use soft rubber hoses to avoid damaging the pool. When the water level reaches 1 inch, 2 to 3 centimeters, please flatten and remove the wrinkles at the base of the swimming pool. It is advisable to monitor the pool periodically during the filling process. Continue to fill the water until it reaches 80% of the height of the pool, and make sure the surrounded surface is smooth. To install the water filter, put the rings on both ends of the hoses. To the inlet upper port of pump, screw and tighten the hose clamp. Connect the other end of the hose to the lower protruding hose head outtake on the wall. Screw and tighten the hose clamp. Connect the second hose from the outlet lower port of the pump to the higher protruding hose head intake on the wall. Screw and tighten the hose clamp. Take out the 2 strainers. Open both wall plug caps from inside of the pool. Insert both strainers. Gently release the top knob switch in a counterclockwise direction and then close it quickly when the water flows out a bit. Insert the electrical power plug into the electric socket. Assure the voltage of the power supply is suitable for the pump to avoid any emergency, such as an electric shock and fire. Now you can have fun in the pool. Remove the strainers from inside of the pool and close the water connection caps. Remove the strainers from inside of the pool and close the water connection caps. Gently sweep the surface of the pool with a skimmer net, removing floating leaves, etc. Engage in a regular cleaning regime, using the cleaning brush to remove dirt and other fine particles from your pool. During long periods of not using the pool, you should drain off the pool and store it appropriately. Take the following steps. Attach your garden hose to the hose adapter. Remove the drain plug cap. Attach and tighten the hose adapter to the drain outlet. Open the water connection caps from inside of the pool. Put the other side of the garden hose near the sewer. Now it's ready for draining. After draining off the water, please dry the pool with a soft cloth. Fold the pool for future use. When using the pool, pay attention for the following 3 points. Always make sure that at least one responsible adult is supervising all children and those who do not know how to swim at all times. Never swim or bathe in the pool alone. Never permit diving or jumping into the pool. When it's off-season, open the pool cover and place it on top of the pool. Make sure that the top ring is completely covered. Tighten it with the strings to avoid it being blown away by the wind. If you have any questions about using our products, please visit our website www.geelong.com or contact our local after-sales service centre or call your nearest hotline listed on the owner's manual.